这边有很多不同尺寸的这样的模块，然后这个模块的作用其实它是等比例去缩小我们产品的这个尺寸的。然后顾客的话就可以按照他家里面的一个实际的情况以及墙面的一个尺寸，去搭配它的这个电视柜的柜体，然后它所摆在这个地方，然后它可以在这个屏幕上就可以看到相应的产品的一个实际的样子。
And we are very happy about this because this is a new concept. And this is the concept that is created together with Shanghaiese and also designed especially for Shanghai market. We're going to have more such the small stores around Shanghai and also in the Great Bay. And this store is about sustainability, it's about being professional, it is about delivering to more trendy solutions. And this is also our new experience because we are exploring it as the new channel to be closer to the many people. We are confident about our future growth here.